All right, we now need to add a click feature, so an on-click feature. So we have this Star Wars component here, and it's rendering HTML with a bunch of H1, P, P, UL, LI, and a button. And every time you click that button, it needs to do something. So we went over this once. Let's go ahead and go over it once more. So we're going to say onClick is equal to, and then instead of your regular quotations, like we usually do in HTML or XHTML, we're going to say this is going to be JavaScript. So we use curly braces. Then in here we can say get new character is going to be a function, and this is simply going to get a new character. But let's just make sure this actually works by console logging something. Get new character from a button. And we didn't fill out onClick, so onClick, this needs to be, this is going to be an arrow function. This dot get new character. This is a method, so we use parentheses. And what we can do here, and you'll see this a lot, is we can put this all on new lines as well, so it's a little more readable. Like this. And yeah, you're going to see this quite a bit down the road as well when you're writing a lot of React. So we have an onClick function here. Let's go ahead and save this. And refresh our page. It just clears that console out for me at the bottom here. And when I click it, it says, get new character from a button. So it's working. Our click event is actually working. Now that's all we're going to do for this particular lesson, and I would like you to do the same. Make sure you have an onClick event. It has to actually trigger something. Don't worry about making the API request yet. We'll get to that in just a little bit. But make sure that you have a click event that actually works. And I just write console log as a test. We're going to end up deleting this code in a little bit. But it's a good test. It tells me that it's actually working. So go ahead, get that set up, and when you're ready, let's head on over to the next lesson where we start working with a little bit of state.